The rate of hair scammers in Vietnam is increasing significantly. Too many companies are scamming customers and it is so scary. How can we prevent this? Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory, Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, sales manager of K Hair Factory. Similar to how to select a trustworthy supplier by reading raw hair Vietnamese review, these are numerous steps involved in exporting raw hair from Vietnam. Finding reviews of raw hair suppliers in Vietnam and learning about their costs are the first step in your research. Next, choose a trustworthy vendor from the available options. Please pay close attention to finding out about the vendor's policy to make sure you're right and upheld when making purchase. Contacting suppliers. In this phase, you must communicate with the provider to determine the source, caliber, and the cost of raw hair you require. In order for the seller to select the best type of raw hair in Vietnam, you must also provide your specifications regarding to length, thickness, color, and style for the hair. To choose wisely, carefully read reviews of raw hair Vietnam. This process also enables the vendors to determine whether there is enough raw hair available from their source to fulfill your purchase. Unifying the invoice with the vendor. After making a request and being noted by the vendor will send an invoice for you to check. When receiving the invoice, please carefully check the information about the quantity, price, and qualities of raw hair in Vietnam to avoid future troubles. Next step will be deposit payment. After setting up the invoice, the vendor will usually ask for a deposit from your base on your order value. The payment method will be based on forms requests by the vendor and the payment method of their country. After that, your order will be processed by the vendor. Following your order details, the factory will start producing raw hair in Vietnam to be suitable with your specifications. Review on raw hairs from Vietnam state that the speed of delivery depends on the proximity of your vendor, the quantities of raw hair orders, and the time required for shipment. Those are the basic steps you need to do when working with a reputable factory. If you have any question, don't hesitate to take me through this WhatsApp number. If you find this video useful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory, Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.